Unit 3, Lesson 1. Instruction in student material. Words to know, alternative, correct definition, false, line, missing, on, paragraph, table, title, true. Postular. Walk in pairs, walk in group of 3, walk with your partner, walk with a classmate. Check your answer with a partner. Check the following word in your dictionary. Ask your partner about his or her family. Ask your partner about your classmate. Ask your classmate question about her family. Fill in the blank using the new vocabulary. Fill in the card using the new vocabulary. Fill in the missing letter using the new vocabulary. Practice the dialogue, practice the conversation, practice saying the vocabulary, practice giving the date, practice saying the word with a partner, give example, give instruction, give each paragraph a title, draw a picture in your notebook, draw a line in your notebook, underline the vocabulary, underline the verb, underline the sentence, underline the correct word, circle the correct verb. Match the question with the answer. Match the question with the definition. Answer the question. Answer true or false. Answer yes or no. Answer with complete sentence. Answer with your own information. Choose one of the following activity. Choose one alternative. Choose word from the table. Use the vocabulary to word sentence. Use the information to answer the question. Use the card to answer the question. Repeat the sentence. Repeat the name. Repeat the instruction. Guess the word. Guess the animal. Guess the name of the person. Take turn reading the dialogue. Take turn read the word. Take turn talking about your family. Take note about your partner. Take note on your rating. Tell your partner about your family. Tell your classmate about your family. Tell your partner about your weekend. Unit 4, Lesson 1. Understanding and Communication Lesson Goals. Words to know, communicate, finale, furniture, previous, review, room, squads, summaries. Postular. Reviewing from the previous class. Let's review yesterday lesson. Let's review today lesson. What did we do yesterday? What did we learn yesterday? Who can tell me what we talked about yesterday? Who can tell me what we did yesterday? Who remember what we talked about last class? Who remember what we studied last class? Are there any questions? Are there any question about ordering food? Are there any question about the past tense? Sequencing lesson goals. In this lesson, you are going to study word about the house. In this lesson, you are going to practice the past tense. In this lesson, you are going to work on talking about house. In this lesson, you are going to look at the present tense. First, we are going to review the vocabulary. Then we are going to practice the past tense. Then we are going to look at the homework. Next, we are going to read a story about Tommy Horse. Next, we are going to practice the conversation. Finally, we will read sentence. Finally, we will read a story. Today, we are going to continue our lesson. Today, we will continue learning word for room in a house. Today, we will read a story. Summarizing the day lesson. What did we learn today? I want to go over what we learning today. Let's review what we learning today. Today we'll talk about word for room. Today we learn new words. Let's look at that vocabulary again. Let's look at the past tense again. Let's look at making introduction again. Is living room one word or two? It is two words. What is in a living room? Please name the room where food is prepared. Please name the room where you sleep. Unit 4, Lesson 2. Engaging student in the topic. What to know? Animal, chicken, cow, engage, farm, giraffe, horse, lion, panda bear, you. Postular. Think about animal in a zoo. Think about your favorite animal. What do you know about your animal? What do you know about panda bear? What animal do you know? Can you tell me another animal? Can you tell me about the zoo? Have you ever seen a lion? Have you ever gone to a zoo? Did you ever see a panda bear? Did you ever see this animal in a zoo? Look at the picture. What do you see? Unit 4, Lesson 3, Explaining lesson content. Words to know: fork, future, knife, punch, spit, sponge, stem, attention, vegetable. Past to leer. This is a banana. This is an orange. This is an apple. That is a table. A banana is a fruit. Carrots are vegetable. It is a fruit. It is red. It has seed. It has a stem. They are fork. This man smile. This is how you end a sentence. This is how you word utensil. You ask this to talk about the future. We say is sleeping when we talk about what is happening now. We say excellent when something is very good. When we want to say you're welcome, we say don't mention it. Look at the picture. What is happening? What is the boy in the tree doing? I will study. This means that I am going to do it in the future, not now. How many bananas do you see in this picture? We does this say and at the end. This is how you form the past tense. Unit 4, Lesson 4, Modeling and Giving Example. Word to know: dialogue, location, model, occupation, preposition. Past to leer. Please repeat after me. Class, please repeat the example after me. Please repeat after the recording. Please read the sentence. Please read the dialogue. Please read the example. Please listen to the example. Please listen to the example of the past tense. Here an example. Here is an example of a preposition. Here is an example of how to say goodbye. Let me give you an example of a preposition. Look at this example of preposition in the book. Jack, please read the example. Let's wake Anna and Jack. Let's wake Anna and Jack point to something that is next to them. Let's review yesterday's lesson on preposition. Today we are going to ask the word can. Let me give you an example. I can swim. Can you read the example? Here another example. I can ride a bicycle. Unit 4, Lesson 5, Asking for a writing student example. Word to know: adjective, breakfast, brush, compliment, cook, furniture, greeting, routine, stood. Past to leer. Give me an example of part of your morning routine. Give me an example of the past tense. Give me another example of an occupation. Give me another example of part of your morning routine. Can you think of an example of a preposition? Can you think of an example of furniture? Can you think of an example of how to say goodbye? Can you think of another example of a fruit? Can you think of another example of how to order food? Who can give an example of an adjective? Who can give an example of a zoo animal? Who can give an example of how to introduce yourself? Who can give another example of an animal? Who can give another example of a verb? Who can give another example of how to say sorry? Now we are going to talk about what do you do in the morning. Unit 4, Lesson 6, Giving activity instruction I. Word to know: alone, alternative, article, cause, expression, cause, partner, table, title. Past to leer. Look at the picture. Look at the list. Look at the title. Look at the tag. Look at the table. Walk with a partner. Walk alone. Walk in pairs. Walk in a group. Walk with a classmate. Give information. Give example. Give instruction. Give each paragraph a title. Play a game in pairs. Play in team. Play in group of 4. Play a question game. Think about your family. Think about an object. Think about your favorite book. Cast the word, cast the name, cast the people. Take turn to read the paragraph. Take turn to read the dialogue. Draw your idea. Draw a picture of your classroom. Circle the correct word. Circle the photo. Circle the alternative. Find a student. Find a classmate. Find an example. Find the answer. Find the information. Check your paper with a partner. Check your ID with a partner. Check the thing on the page with a partner. Choose a title for the article. Choose an object. Choose an alternative. Match the question and answer. Match the sentence to the people. Match the expression with the picture. Practice saying the description. Practice giving the date. Practice reading the dialogue. Use your note to write a paragraph. Use the picture to write a paragraph. Use the word to write a paragraph. You have 10 minutes. Can you read the instruction, please? We need more time. You can have 5 more minutes. When you finish, use the information in the paragraph to answer this question. Work alone to complete them. Unit 4, Lesson 7. Giving activity instruction B. Word to know, chart, check, conversation, favorite, hobby, information, interview, paragraph, boom, sport. Pastulir. Listen to the teacher. Listen to the description. Listen to the information. Listen and repeat. Listen and complete the sentence. Read about the family. Read about the teacher. Read the description. Read the text. Read the letter. Read and answer the question. Read and draw a picture. Answer the question in complete sentence. Answer yes or no. Answer true or false. Answer the question on a piece of paper. Repeat the sentence. Repeat the instruction. Underline the verb. Underline the title. Fill in the blank. Tell your classmate. Say the work. Ask your partner. In part, talk about your family. Talk to your partner about yourself. Discuss the following question. Discuss the answer. Read a description. Read the paragraph. In your notebook, read sentence about the picture. On a piece of paper, read sentence about the picture. Now, we're going to listen to description of different spots around the work. Listen to the information. Then fill in the blank. Can we listen again, please? Ask your partner the question in the book about sport. Then discuss your favorite sport with your partner. Unit 4, Lesson 8. Organizing student. Word to know, alone, by yourself, discuss, divide, group, pair, partner, until together. Pastulir. Please walk by yourself. Please walk alone. Please walk on your own. Find a partner. Walk with a partner. Pair up. You can walk together. You can walk in pairs. You have to get into group of 3. You have to get into pair. Walk in group of 3. Get into group of 4. Walk in group of 5. Count off by 2. Count off by 3. Count off by 4. Sarah, please walk with Paul. Sarah and Paul walk together, please. Sit in a circle. Sit side by side. Face the board. Face each other. Take turn reading the dialogue. Take turn answer the question. You have 5 more minutes. You have another 10 minutes. You have until 9 to finish this activity. Paul, you are I. Sarah, you are B. This half of the class is I. This half is B. Okay, let's check. Who is I? Today we are going to read a conversation. Can we work together? Can I work alone? How much time do we have?